Welcome to another knowledge exchange session with SEOreseller.com, or again, what we call Kex Plus. My name is Jason Whitfield, and I'm joined here by CJ and Jomar.
We went and discussed from bricks to clicks. So not like traditional media where you're most likely relegated to, or at least you have to keep on doing print, TV, radio. Digital marketing opens up plenty of avenues for you. There's SEO, paid media, content marketing, email marketing, so on and so forth. And I hope you guys are getting that right. From bricks to clicks, now we want to talk about what are the tricks to get those clicks. Should you do your digital marketing yourself or have it done for you, right? So that's DIY or DFY. You can have our guys or our SMEs or our experts, give their opinion on what other improvements we can actually make the biggest impact on, right?